Hey class, it's Mr. Burling. I thought I'd just make a quick video here to talk about what we're doing today. Obviously I'm gone because my kid and I have to go down to Iowa for a soccer tournament. And so I just wanted to go over what the day's going to look like. I want you guys to start off with answering these two questions on page 20 in your packets. Once you guys have those done, we'll kind of jump past all of these different seating chart arrangements and let's go ahead and get into what you guys will be doing in class. So once you're in class, the first thing and the foremost I want you guys to do is I want you to start working on the working on the review sheet, which is going to be this here. Substitute teacher is going to hand those out to you, and I just want you guys using your packets and the online resources to work through this. You can work with your have a partner next to you, or but I'll leave the discretion up to the teacher as far as what that looks like. But probably staying in your seats would be best. Once you have that done, I want you to double check to make sure that in your packet you have the mapping for radiation done. Remember, we went outside and we kind of mapped out the different temperatures of areas. We had 5 non-living and 5 living things. And you need to color code these with the markers up front by the purple lamp. I would probably ask the sub to leave this up on the board later on so you guys have this as a reference for what the temperatures mean, and the white being 120 being kind of the hottest zone of temperatures. And get that covered off. If that's done, then I would like you to go through and check your grade book and just see if you have everything done. If it's something simple as notes and you have a friend next to you who was present, maybe you were absent, just ask them kindly and see if you can't copy those notes down. If it's someone you think we're taking good and accurate notes, and or you can go online and just open the presentation up for that particular note missing. And the other thing that I'm noticing in the grade book that some people are missing is going to be some online reading assignments. We have articles, and then you kind of respond to the readings and stuff. So make sure those two things are done. If it's a lab, go ahead and skip that, because obviously you're not going to be making up a lab without me there to facilitate it. If you have all of those things done, and again, this is up to the discretion of the sub, and if they give permission for it, then I am okay with it if they give permission for you guys to have some quiet time playing some games and using my chess or checkers, 4 cards, whatever it may be. As long as you guys at the end of the period, about 5 minutes prior to it, cleaning up time, you get everything put away nice and neatly, and make sure we're keeping track of the pieces and stuff so we can enjoy them later on throughout the rest of the school year. And yeah, that's the day. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Take care.